here is the size of the class interval. Okay? So, from these definitions, we can now solve for the mean by substituting now our values. So, we have mean is equal to, what is our assumed mean? Assumed mean is from our midpoint. It's on the line of your APO and it is 57. Okay? 57 plus your summation of fx prime
Negative 76.
negative 76. Negative 76 divided by how many scores do we have? The number of cases. 10. Where did you get 10? Number of cases are the number of scores involved in the frequency distribution. And if we are not